Hello South Africa. There is high demand for it. Solar panel theft is on the rise. As rolling blackout continues and solar panel demand increase, thieves have found an opportunity to do what they do best: steal. According to CapeTalk, theft of solar panels is on the rise. This is made easy as many of them are in plain sight and are easy to remove. They also don't have serial numbers or identification numbers that would enable someone to see that they are stolen. Thieves either strip the solar panels of their valuable parts, such as copper, or sell the panels as they are. It is becoming more and more of a relevant problem with the insurance industry. The panels are high value, there is high demand for it. You do not need to be an expert to remove them. Even if they do damage the panels, like anything, they will get away with the bulk of it, the report quoted Rodney Taylor, Managing Director, Guardian, as saying. Earlier this year, South African Finance Minister Enoch Godongwana announced two tax measures to encourage businesses and individuals to invest in renewable energy and increase electricity generation. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.